In today's video, I'll teach you how to get rid of or turn off trending searches on Google. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar. Now type in www.google.com, search for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now if you want to turn off the trending searches, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for more settings. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to access the settings. At top, you'll be able to find two options, privacy and safety, other settings. Tap on this option, other settings, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access other settings. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, at last, you'll be able to find the option for autocomplete with trending searches. Right now it is toggled on. So what you have to do is simply toggle this button off. Now once you do that, the trending searches will be turned off. So that is how you get rid of or turn off trending searches on Google. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.